Welcome to the next video in our budgeting series. Today, we explore tips and strategies for making the most out of your earnings. And today, we're diving into how much you can save if you work in hospitality and earn tips. Plus, we will discuss what to do with that cash to maximize your financial growth. Let's get started. Working in the hospitality industry often means you have the opportunity to earn tips, which can significantly boost your income. But just how much can you save, and what should you do with that extra cash? First, let's talk about numbers. On average, hospitality workers can earn anywhere from $20 to $200 in tips per shift, depending on the location, type of establishment, and level of service. Let's assume you make on average $50 in tips per shift, working 5 shifts a week. That's an extra $250 a week, or around $1,000 a month. Now, the big question: what should you do with this cash to ensure it works for you? Here are the 3 actionable steps. Step 1. Create a savings plan. Start by setting aside a portion of your tips each week. Aim for at least 20%. If you are earning $1,000 in tips a month, that's $200 into your savings. Over a year, you will have saved $2,400, not including any interest. Step 2. Invest wisely. Consider investing part of your savings. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Look into low-cost index funds, which offer a diversified portfolio and are great for long-term growth. Step 3. Pay off your debt. If you have any high-interest debt, use your tips to pay it down. Reducing debt frees up more money in the future and improves your financial health. By following these steps, you can turn your tips into a substantial financial resource. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how much you save and grow. Those matters. Until next time, keep making smart money moves.